So, how did we get our YouTube videos to have an interesting title, good description, and key timestamps within about 5 minutes of work? How did we do that? Let me show you. So, I'm going to share my screen, share the correct screen. Here you go. You should be able to see this screen now. So, this is the back end of my YouTube studio. I got a pretty catchy, I think, YouTube title. So transform your business, easy step-by-step to guide to building a Shopify website. Pretty catchy. Obviously, you've got to give that out once they get on that video. Then it's a little summary, and then it has all the key timestamps. Now, these key timestamps, when you click these, will take you to this part. So if you're only here to look at the Shopify themes, you click that one, it takes you straight there. So that's all built. Then I've got a breakdown of each one of these and what I discuss in those parts, which I think is quite important. Final remarks and stuff, and then join our community here as well. How did I get that, and how can you do it really quickly? So one of the cool platforms that I use is called Tactiq IQ. So let me bring that onto the screen. So it's Tactiq IQ, this one here. And let me move it away for a sec and get the YouTube video link. All you need is the video link for the video itself. You paste it into here and it says get transcript. Now there it comes up with a video. Yes, it is that one. You've got the whole transcript in here. I then use ChatGPT to understand this and write the description for the video and then the title. Let me show you how I do it. So you can just press copy here, which is easy, or you can download it, but download might be easy enough. So we'll do download. Yeah, there you go. So it's downloaded that. That's perfect. You then go to ChatGPT. I've got it on my sidebar in Opus, which is quite useful to have Opus, so you can do this. And then what I did, I've got a instead of you watching me just type stuff out, I've got how I did it. So here is the document with that transcript in. It's just got the transcript here. And I wrote, can you read this document and then write a description based off this YouTube video transcript? Comes up with that. I then said, sure, fine, whatever. Can you rewrite it and summarize the key learnings and timestamps for those points too, please? It then did the summary of each one of the timestamps with a key timestamp at the end with all these on here. I then switched the order around because I thought it would be better this way around. And then I put some extra zeros in so that you can actually click these on here, which should be fine. And then I said, that's great, but can you rewrite it as if it's me in the first person who's writing the description? Because there was a lot of, yeah, this video begins with an introduction saying about this. The YouTube the presenter starts by demonstrating their own website, which isn't great when you're writing your own descriptions, right? So I was like, that's rubbish. Then it rewrote it in the third person. It says, in this video, I guide you through the process of setting up the website using Shopify, right? That's all good. My next prompt was, with this in mind, now can you recreate the title that will both grab the attention of the viewer on YouTube, have a level of intrigue, and be accurate? I've got some spelling mistakes in it, still understood, and be accurate so they know what to expect. Then I had some internet problems and had to redo it again. I was like, cool, generate 5. Here's 5. I picked one of them, and there it is. How cool is that? How easy is that? So let's go to YouTube and just double check. So yeah, it's coming up with, that's where I got to when I was watching it back. But yeah, look at this. And it's got the key timestamp. So if you want to go using the Shopify themes, that's fine. I'll just press that. Automatically cuts to that. If you want to go to here, it cuts to that. Super cool, right? Then it's got all of these. So if you want to actually, if somebody's actually bothers reading this, but this, I believe, picks up in YouTube side of things, and people, if they're searching for these type of things as like educational parts of the video, then this is useful. Now, the next part of it, which I want to show you and which I try and do, is if you're in the back end of YouTube and you're trying to make it a video that is more of an educational thing, you can actually put down here somewhere, what language it's in, it's fine, is if it's entertainment or education. If it's education, this is cool. It comes up here and asks you for timestamps for certain things. And you go, yeah, sure. It's a how to. And then what it does, it pushes it through to Google. If somebody types this question or something like this, how do I customize the homepage? I'd probably change this to customize my homepage or something like that, just so it's something searchable that somebody else would search. So how to customize my Shopify homepage, right? I'd then do a little bit of work on this and do that. But then when somebody types that in, if my video is seen by lots of people, mine may start getting suggested on Google for that specific answer to be on there. I think it's wicked. I think it's really clever. There's loads you can do. I'll save that and then just see if how the stats work. There's other videos that I've done about how to do your thumbnails. I'm still learning on that side of things, but I think it looks fairly catchy. How to easily use Shopify. I've got Shopify written on there twice. Probably don't need to. I can tweak that. But yeah, I think hopefully that video is quite useful. Please do subscribe, like, share, all that sort of fun stuff. Ask questions really is more important because then I can make more videos. And I look forward to hearing you all soon.